What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jason here, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about easy money online. Can you make money online the easy way? Let's talk about some possibilities. All right, so we're going to talk about easy money online, if it's even possible to do something like that, and what can that look like if so. Obviously, when you go on YouTube, you will find a lot of videos where they cover certain things like, hey, you can make money online this way, you can make money online that way. But then you'll see some that says that it's very easy. It's an easy way to make money online. So is there an easy way to make money online? Is it possible? And what is it if so? First of all, easy, obviously, whenever this really obviously bothers me whenever I see it, because for a lot of people, easy may not be relative to them. Me being a techie guy, I know a lot of ins and outs and things that I can do to generate income, even if I have to do it all by myself. But making money online, it may be easy for me in certain ways because I understand how things work, but it may not be necessarily easy for a newbie, someone who's who's just starting out. And even if they haven't been just starting out, they may not be too sure on the techie side. They're just not good with computers. So is it easy? Well, like I said, I guess it just depends on how you define what easy is. But there are ways to make money online that, obviously in terms of difficulty, are not as difficult as others. And when people say easy, they also kind of associate it with the word fast. So easy and fast way to make money online. Is there such a thing? It's funny because people will get into all of these very interesting methods, and they'll combine different things that they teach and say, okay, if you do this plus this plus this plus this and this, you can make money easy. But truth is, guys, if you go in with the perspective that you're going to be making money fast and easy, you're going to find yourself disappointed. In terms of difficulty, there are things that are more difficult than others, but I wouldn't say that any way of making money is easy. Otherwise, pretty much everyone would be. If making money online was fast and easy, just about everybody online would already be doing so, but a good chunk of them aren't. And plus, you gotta consider, the crap ton of people that are scamming other people out of their money by saying, hey, you could do this, and then they have some convoluted plan to rob them of their money or their identity and stuff like that. Now, I'm not one to I'm not one to put anything down, especially making money online, because I've been doing it since 2012. I've been making money online full time since 2016. So obviously it's working for me, and I don't scam people out of their money. I don't steal information or anything like that. But, there are people out there who do. And so, for the new beginners and whatnot, they may not understand exactly how this happens, what to look out for, the tall tale signs of people who are trying to do them harm versus those who mean well, and they're trying to teach you some concepts that you could, take into practice. So, what ways can you make money that are technically, quote unquote, fast and easy? The first thing I would say is find something that you enjoy doing, because if you enjoy doing something, it's automatically easy. You will devote your time to something that is enjoyable, and the time allotted to it will not feel taxing. It would not feel like a burden because it's something that you enjoy doing. Therefore, that makes it easy automatically. It really does. Because, and I've said this on my channel before, if it's something that you enjoy to the point of, I would do it for free even, you can, if that's your mentality, obviously you want to get money for it. But if it's something that you would do for free in hopes that you would make money from it, I mean, you get what I'm saying. The burden is not there. It's very light, if any, at all. And it's something that you enjoy doing. Therefore, it doesn't feel taxing. It's not hard for you. It's easy. Now, getting it to the point where you're actually making money and everything, and that all depends. What is your platform? Are you doing YouTube like this? Are you podcasting? Are you running a blog? Are you social media posting? Or are you doing all of the above? Now, things get harder and more difficult the more you tack on. So if you're doing YouTube and then you decide to spread out into social media and be consistent with that, and then try doing blogging, be consistent with that, so on and so forth. Over time, if you keep adding things up and you're not, you're jack of all trades but master of none, it's going to be difficult for you because you're managing and maintaining all these different avenues, these different channels, but you are not seeing results from any. So what I would say normally is, start one thing, start one platform, start one channel. If it's a YouTube channel or if it's a blog, just choose one, start with that. And get into a rhythm with it. Get into a momentum. So, for instance, I started this channel just over 2 months ago. And you can see my subscribe count is abysmal. And so, naturally people would think, well, I'm not going to take advice from you. I mean, you got just a few subscribers. Well, obviously no one listens to you or no one cares to. The thing is that this is not my first channel. I've raised several channels, and this one here is technically, as of today's recording, is technically still kind of new. More so than that, I have not, up until last week, I think, or the week before, and even then I'm just putting in like $5 here and there. But even up until now, I have not done any marketing whatsoever. You think you drop YouTube videos and automatically they're found? No, that's not how it works. No, I mean, I'm doing keyword research and all that, but this is a highly competitive field. So clearly I'm competing with people that have channels that have lasted longer. They've been around longer. And they got way more people helping them on certain things. So yeah, this is brand spanking new, and this has hardly had any money put behind it. So the reason I bring that up is because going back to my point, I was trying to get this channel to a point where I've found a rhythm, to where this isn't new for me, and this is more like, okay, I'm used to this. I've built a repetitious pattern. Therefore, getting to the point where I do videos is not a big deal for me anymore. It's committed to my routine. It's a routine thing. And you would be surprised as to how hard it is to develop a routine, especially in our super busy age that we're living in. So, I developed this channel to the point where it's routine, and now these videos are just coming out, and I don't have to worry about it. It's already ingrained inside of me. Now that I've mastered that side, now I can expand. So, a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, I started to put in some money towards promoting this channel, and I'm doing that little at a time. I'm just, $5 here and there. And now the next step is I'm going to increase that budget. And while I'm increasing that budget, I'm going to start social media posting. That's my next step. So you can see that there is a plan. I have a plan in place, and it's not fast, right? It's not crazy fast or anything. Progressing modestly, moving forward modestly. But I'm making sure that I'm good in one area first before I tack on something else, and before I tack on something else to that. If I try to do it all at once, it's going to feel like a burden, and it's going to, I'm going to drop the ball, right? I'm going to drop the ball. And I don't want to do that. This channel, a few months from now, is going to be extremely different from what you see now. I may switch the way I do this show, this format and everything. I have a podcast that I'm working on. It's not launched yet. So there's a lot of things that are in my plan, but they're not here yet. So what I'm trying to say is that master something first, one thing first, and then once you get into a good rhythm where it's not new to you anymore, and it's not like trying to climb over a hill just to get to the goal every day. Once it becomes effortless, then you can go ahead and try something else, and then keep going with that until that becomes effortless. And then, now you got many more spokes in the wheel, you know what I'm saying, or in the machine or whatever. You got more things working congruently, and then you start to build that crazy momentum. So it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it is something that, it's a tried and true tested method. So is it fast? Clearly not, but it is easy if you do it this way. Because, for the first couple months, all I was doing was sit down, record a video until I get to my point, and then throw it up on YouTube. That's it. Done deal. Nothing else, really. Nothing else. So that's obviously very easy, especially for me. I just talk. I don't script anything. I don't, I just get a general idea and then I just talk. But, it may not be that way for you. Maybe you're more of a writer, so maybe blogging is the thing that you really should be doing. Maybe it's something else. I don't know, but you get my point. So can you find something that's easy? Well, make sure it's something that you enjoy doing, and also tackle one platform at a time. Make it to where it's no longer, a task, and it's more effortless, less friction. Get yourself to that point, and then keep adding to it. And before you know it, you're going to look back and see all of those parts of the machine working congruently and churning out results for you. And you're going to be like, wow, I'm already here. I'm here and I'm seeing active results. So what other methods could there be? What specific methods could there be to make things easy? Other than finding something that you enjoy doing, you should have something that you can turn a business from. And that's why I've been promoting this thing called 30-Minute Workday. 30-Minute Workday is essentially an affiliate marketing platform. And essentially a lot. Basically, what you're doing is you are given two very specific tools. One is a capture page builder, and another is an email autoresponder. Now, these two tools are things that you need for any business that you do online. So this isn't like, you could totally bypass 30-Minute Workday and decide, well, I still want to run an online business. How am I going to do that? Oh, wait, I need to create capture pages so I can, whenever traffic comes to my landing page, I can market to them later. By taking down their email information. And then, of course, I also need an email autoresponder so that, I can email these people that, that they submit their information through the capture page. And also, I can have pre-written emails spaced out to where, my autoresponder is doing the work for me. So, yeah, you get to the point where you realize that those two tools are necessary regardless of where you go and what kind of business you need or you desire to do. So with 30-Minute Workday, you get those tools, but you also get training. And the training that you get from here is, again, something that you could take anywhere and apply it to anything and find a way to create a business that you truly, enormously enjoy. And with that, you can apply what you've learned from 30-Minute Workday and just create multiple businesses. I like drawing, but I also like rap, so I can do two separate businesses or combine them both. I don't know. But you get my point. So if you want easy, in terms of how easy we can get, affiliate marketing is hands down one of the best, especially 30-Minute Workday, because you're given a business in a box. It's already done for you. All you have to do is, a brief configuration process, which is like 10, 15 minutes max. I mean, if you're really not techie, just follow some videos and that's it. But, you got everything there. Everything is there. Everything is laid out. Everything is very simple. This isn't even an MLM. So it's not like, well, there's people underneath me and there's people underneath those people. And it's not that. It's, I jumped in on this. I got my tool set up. I got my capture page set up, and yeah, I'm making sales from it. So that's a form of affiliate marketing. That's with 30-minute workday. I think it's really basic, simple, easy to use. But of course, there's so many other ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, and I feel personally that affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online, and it is one of the easiest, especially for those who are not particularly techie. And the reason for that is because a lot of these affiliate programs, so let's forget 30-minute workday for a second. A lot of these affiliate programs, they give you, just like 30-minute workday, they give you the capture pages to use, right? They give you email swipes to send to your list. And we're going to get more into email marketing in the future videos. But they do, they give you the words to say in the emails, and you just send it to your list as you grow it. They give you banners, they give you stuff like that so you can post on social media, et cetera, et cetera. So everything is figured out for you. And you just got to apply, those what you learn and get the word out there. So to summarize, yes, affiliate marketing is one of the least difficult things to do, especially for the non-technical person. Nothing is easy really, but that's, if you want to say easy, that's the easiest that I believe. And of course, it makes it easier when it's something that you love doing. So based on affiliate marketing, find a way to incorporate something that you love into an affiliate marketing platform. So if you like dogs, go on ClickBank, go somewhere like that and find products about dogs and drive sales to that. That way you're doing something that you enjoy doing, and you can make money from it. So fast and easy way to make money online. That's probably the best unbiased way of saying so. And there's really no secret behind it. It's obviously, there's always going to be hard work involved, especially in the beginning. But in terms of what we would define as easy, I think that is probably going to be your best bet. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a thumbs up if you appreciate the content that I'm sharing in these videos. Also, click that subscribe button and bell notifications to be updated on future videos that I post. And last but not least, if you want to do some affiliate marketing, if you want to go the easy way, the best that I would recommend is doing something like affiliate marketing. And the one below in the link underneath in the description box below is probably the best way to go about it if you want to have the right tools, get the right training, and learn from it so that you can apply to pretty much anything that you want. With that in mind, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Jason. Much love, God bless, and as always, you know how I do it, y'all. Peace.
I should make money for free. Yeah, that's how money works. Money for free. If I ain't got a boss, then it's not a legal way to make money. You gotta know that's true, right? You gotta have a boss for you. Okay. The only way to make money is by spending a crazy amount of time. If I'm not like slave or nothing like that, okay. But okay, here we go. Nobody makes money from home. This COVID thing is just a fluke. We're gonna be in office again, and if you seriously want to help me, you should just give me money. That's how you can show me